In the evolving landscape of renewable energy, precision and innovation drive progress. The MI3116 PV Analyzer XA is here to set a new standard in photovoltaic system testing. Designed for professionals who demand maximum efficiency, it combines insolation and IU measurements of 1,500-volt PV systems into one powerful device, ensuring precise diagnostics for high-efficiency PV modules. With support for bifacial modules and a maximum harness subarray current of up to 40 amps DC, it takes testing to the next level. You can test several PV strings in parallel as long as the combined maximum short-circuit current doesn't exceed 40 amps. The tester also comes with a range of accessories, including sensors for capturing irradiance and temperature data, which must be correctly positioned for optimal accuracy. All sensors are connected to a wireless Wi-Fi remote unit, allowing for real-time measurement and logging of irradiance and cell temperature. Perform precise electrical measurements with ease and evaluate results on-site or in the comfort of your office. Generate reports seamlessly with MESM software, making data analysis faster and more efficient than ever before. Elevate your testing experience with Metrel.